Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today we are going to check how fast and how reliable is the unlock test of the face unlock. So I'll grab the phone like that, and the first one I will check the position, if I'm sitting in the good position. Okay, so as you can see, smartphone can recognize my face. So right now let's make like 5 tries. So as you can see, it works really good, but it's interesting because here we got some kind of the notification that we are opening the front camera too frequently. Okay, let's stop that we got it. So yeah, it works really good, and I can recommend you this lock method on the Redmi K30 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.